you see the beautiful city of Bujumbura. Wow, look. I'm on the hill of this neighborhood which called. It looks like beautiful. Look, the beautiful of Bujumbura City. Look there. When you stand up here in this place, you see everything. You see the beautiful of Bujumbura. You see all. Hey, what's up? I'm a traveler. As you see now, I'm in the road. I'm in the highway road. Look how it's so very beautiful. Wow. Look how those trees, how it is. Look, this face nearby this road, how it is. Really, actually, it's so very beautiful. You see where I'm? Look there, on behind me. Wow, very beautiful road here. So, something I wanna tell you is this. I'm going to surprise you for showing you how the neighborhood which called Gatoke, how it looks like here in this capital city of Burundi. This is Bujumbura. So I'm going to cross in my right, and I'm going to climbing because that neighborhood is located on the mountain, on the hill. You will see how the update of that neighborhood, how it looks like. So now I'm going to cross here. Yeah, I'm going to cross here. Wow. I'm the crossing line. Wow. Okay, so now we just already take this lot, which is going to take us on that neighborhood, which called Gatoke neighborhood. Many people, they don't know this neighborhood. Wow, look there on behind me. Oh, look how those constructed, how they are breeding. Look those flowers. Yeah, even though here in this neighborhood, you can see it paved a lot. Beautiful house. Wow, beautiful face here. Look, those flowers on the face. Now we are climbing up. You see there the houses on the hills there. We're going there. We're going to climb up there, and then you will see how this neighborhood, which called the Gatoke, how it looks like. Yeah, I know many people, even the people who live here in Bujumbura, they often hear Gatoke, but they don't they don't pass in. They didn't work here in this neighborhood. Now I'm climbing up. You see how the house, how it's constructed. Look there. Really beautiful. We are climbing up to the hills. Wow, we are high up. We are hurry up for showing you how the streets which are located here in this neighborhood, how it looks like, how they are up to date this neighborhood. Look there. Wow, nice apartment. Nice apartment. Even there, they're building. Nice apartment. Apartment. Wow. It looks like for apartment inside. It looks like. Oh, it's not for only so many. Perhaps it's a villa apartment. Yeah. Yeah, very beautiful neighborhood. Wow. Beautiful villa. Wow, very beautiful. You can see the one behind. So now, as we have told you that this is a new place, new neighborhood. So now we are in Guaza. It's called the Guaza neighborhood. Look, it's still new. Look at the street, but look how they are constructed. It's on a mountain. We are climbing up. Look down. Beautiful city of Bujumbura. You see some constructed house in the town. See Lake Tanganyika. Wow. Look, let's keep on climbing up. We are climbing up. Look here. It's on the hill. Actually, it's on the hill. Imagine how ingenious, how they get foundation of building here. Wow. Yeah. So last video I uploaded, I show you climbing up on the hill. Look at this amazing house. Amazing house there. Wow. So imagine in 1 year, it's really change. You see Gatoke neighborhood there. Wow. Remember last video I uploaded. That is Gatoke. This house you see there. But this is Guaza nearby Gatoke. It's amazing neighborhood. We're still like climbing up. It's a new place. I'm getting tired. Here, look how it is constructed. How it looks like. Wow. You see Bujumbura? Wow, so beautiful house. That is Bujumbura. Look here. Wow, beautiful. Wow. You hear the air from the Lake Tanganyika and from the trees. Amazing house. Amazing house. Look at this. Wow. This is located in this neighborhood where we are exploring. Wow. Look how it looks like, boy. we are climbing down. Wow, from this here to the town. As you see, Gasekebuye, it's nearby this Gasekebuye. So I was just making this video for showing you how the Bujumbura, some neighborhood of Bujumbura, how it's developed, how it's increased, it's developed. We are still working here in this new neighborhood. Wow, very beautiful, very beautiful. As you see there, wow, look how the construction, how it looks like. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This is a circle. Look there. Oh. Wow, you don't believe. Bujumbura is a develop, as you see. We are walking here in this neighborhood. It's on the mountain, on the hill. Wow. The voice you hear, it's air. It's air. Because of those trees and because of this place, it's located on the hill. Wow, 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 wow. Very beautiful construction. Look there. Look at that house. Amazing. Look in the front of me. So we are still in Gatoke. Wow, a lot of air. A lot of air. You see the trees how it's moving. It's giving a fresh. Look how it's very beautiful. Wow. This is a Gatoke. Gatoke. This is a Gatoke. Very beautiful. Maybe after constructing many houses, they're going to bury the streets which are located inside of this neighborhood, Gatoke. Beautiful house. And Gatoke is located in the south. Yeah, in the south of capital city of Burundi. Some children, they are playing. Wow. This is Gatoke. Beautiful constructed. Wow, look there. Even the car here. Wow, wow, wow. Look here. Gatoke. This is Gatoke. Look there. Wow. So amazing neighborhood. So amazing neighborhood. So amazing neighborhood. Wow, wow, wow. This is Gatoke. Yeah, we are still walking in this neighborhood which is called Gatoke. Beautiful neighborhood, beautiful house. Wow, they are still constructed here. Amazing apartment. Wow. When you live here, you see all city of Bujumbura, and you see Tanganyika, Lake Tanganyika, and the fresh. It's so sweet when you locate here. This is Gatoke. Amazing neighborhood, as you see. Wow. So we are here for exploring more about beautiful city of Bujumbura. How it's up to date. Look, that house. Amazing. It's amazing. 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 It's amazing. So amazing. Wow, look how it's constructed. It's on the mountain. You see those houses on the mountain? Wow. This is Gatoke.